What's up, everybody? Today is the day that we're gonna be burying my grandma. A little bit of raw, not even. Today is a little bit harder for me today just to accept that she's not gonna no longer be here. It's been a difficult week, but I'm glad I'm here.
Delikado. I-ano mo na lang. Anay, tawag mo na pala. Wala naman siyang mapagbalingan ng galit niya. Siya rin naman may gawa. Ba't kasi napersa niya?
Sila ko eh. Itong na.
Mabuting balita ng Panginoon ay kay San Juan, papuri sa iyo, Panginoon. Nang panahon iyon, sinabi ni Jesus sa kanyang alagad, huwag kayo mabalisa, manalig kayo. Sa makabilang buhay, may buhay sa kabila. Kaya pagkagising sa umaga, magpasalamat kayo sa biyaya ng buhay at pagkatapos makagawa ka na yung mission sa buhay. Alam ko naman, yung kwento, kung paano nagawa ito, siya yung kanya.
Bigay Mas kayo po ang
Ito ng Diyos ang makapangyarihan.
ang kapitawaran ng Panginoon at pagpanahan sa simulakan sa pagkakaroon sa ating kapakinabangan at sa buong
mga anghel o banal, tanang nasa kalangitan, halin kayo at samahan
ang ilinang pumanaw sa piling ng pumahal.
si Kristo.
Matagal siya sa US. I know that her roots were always here. And when she finally returned to us, it felt like we were given the gift of life and show her how much she really meant to all of us. Kahit lagi kami nag-aamay. Mommy was a woman of strength. Umaakyat pa yan sa bubong kahit 80 na. And also grace. For so many years, she lived a life that showed love for her family, determination and commitment to her values. Despite the distance and the many years spent away with us, wherever we go, rest in peace, Mom.
First, while writing this letter, it brings back a lot of memories. And it feels very overwhelming. Even though nagkalayo kami, hindi na po yung tinatawag na death between a mother and a child. Binuhat daw niya ako at nilagay sa isip niya. Nag-stop daw ako sa pagkiyakagan. From that moment, sabi ko sa sarili mo, para sa akin itong batang ito. And you promise yourself that hindi mo papabayaan. And you know what? You kept your words. Everybody in the family knows how much you love me. Kaya bakit mo nalalit ko? Magandang maswerte sa iyo. Ginawa mo tunan ang pagmamahal para itong ama at ina. Dan ganun din ko kayo sa God. He sent me an angel without wings. Sinabi mo noon, tandaan mo, hindi ka kawawa. Kasi makalawakan kita. We cherish you profoundly, and we will love you forever. We'll always remember the impact you made us. Your mission is done, Mommy. Please continue watching over us. I hope you know that your heart was my home. I love you, Mommy, till we see each other again.
Hello everyone. I'm Jeremy. My mother is Julie Mitri, daughter of Theodosia Amani. My grandmother was speaking of my grandmother. I wanted you guys to know was that she was more than just an average grandmother. She was a second mother in my life. She was someone who could see me through no wrong. In her words, I'm a jewel boy, baby ko, baby tumula. When people see her, they think of this small lady, but what they don't know, she's a strong, independent woman who has 6 children, 5 beautiful and strong-willed women, and 1 handsome young son. Being around her my whole life, she was consistently preaching life lessons, like how to respect your elders, to forgive and not hold grudges, and how to never give up on what you really want in life, regardless of how you feel. One thing I inherited from her is how to love everyone around me and how important family is. For those who didn't know, Grandma consistently traveled back and forth from the Philippines to the United States to make sure she gave equal love and time to each and every one of her daughters. She loved them all the same. Seeing her, a little baby, traveling across the world, sometimes by herself, I knew that no matter how scared I was, I would go to the Philippines and drop on a drop of a dime if anything was to happen to my grandmother. Grandma, I made it. I did it. Thank you, thank you for giving me the strength. I hope I made you proud. I'm still your baby. And every time I look at a bright sky and a beautiful flower, I know it's you. Today is a day I've been dreading. Past few days being with my family, I've been in denial, thinking when I saw you smiling that if I don't consistently think of you, that I won't be sad. And it's not real. But now, getting ready and preparing your eulogy, it's starting to become more real. I'm not prepared, nor am I able to accept the fact that I will never get to see my grandmother whenever I want. I traveled many miles by air, by land, just to see you. I made it to you. I hope you hear me, Grandma. I'm still your baby boy. I'm going to miss you. Please rest in heaven and know that I'm okay now. I love you all, my cousins, my sisters, that I've never known. And I hope that I can be was always there. She might not be perfect, but she's always there. And she still will be there. Thank you.
Si Sir mukhang galing sa US. Yeah.
Of course.
Nasa taas, nauna na.
Sa huling pagsulya sa labi ni Nanay Kusing mula po sa pamunuan ng El Cielo de la Paz.
Nothing really prepares you for the immense pain and heartbreak after a loss, or the flood of memories that come pouring in. The good, the bad, funny and sad times. My grandma was present. She helped raise her grandkids and great-grandkids. It's very rare. I have known her my whole life and a lot of memories to last a lifetime. She was my roommate from elementary through half of high school, then moved in when I started my family. She didn't even blink an eye to help me take care of my kids at the age of 85. If you know her, she is incredibly strong. People were always surprised when they asked how old she was when we would go out grocery shopping and gardening. She influenced me in so many ways, from reading books before bed, sharing hers with me so we can talk about it, playing the many forms of solitaire, at least that's what she called it, teaching me how to repot plants, sew, sweep the floors properly, and the many ways to use Vicks paper roll. I am truly blessed to have had many years with you and will cherish them all. Give Grandpa and my sister a big hug for me when you see them in heaven. I love you.
Philippines or somewhere else entirely, they are the first that we know how special she was and how big her impact is in all of our hearts. It's very interesting to me to see how she is now compared to her past when she was younger. I hope I get to hear all sorts of stories from all of you about her, about all that she's done and she's achieved. And I hope the grandkids and great-grandkids and even further get to hear about her. See her in photos and that she is alive in our hearts, and it's our duty to let her be remembered for as long as possible. May her soul be at peace, and may she happy and watch over us. May she be proud of herself and her own goals and achievements, as well as her kids' and grandkids' achievements, and the rest of the family. There is love here and sadness, but love prevails. All of you are here to visit, to see her again, to express your love again, and that is our blessing to her. Just as she loved us, we love her too, and will love her always. Her smile is very bright and is very memorable to me. I hope it is for all of you too, so remember who's the best.
Mga kaibigan po muna, Sige na po, ito na po yung huling sulya po. Kailangan ito po. Sige po, kamag-anak na po. Mga kamag-anak po, mahuli po yung pamilya.
At AC. Hawak mo.
It's recording na.
Ay, mga lobo niyo.
Mula po sa Panginoon ng
Thank you. Because that's grandma. Bye-bye, grandma. So nice, right?
Ika.
Oh.